Before we get started, I want to send a special thank you to Harrison G. He is always supporting this channel and sponsoring stories like this, the ones that are tucked off, no one's talking about it anywhere. So I appreciate Harrison G and everyone else supporting this channel, helping to get the word out about stories like this one. This story comes out of North Michigan, the town of Oscoda. Everything started to unravel after a body was found in a trash bag, and authorities traced it back to this woman here, 22-year-old Justine Johnson. Take a second to hit that subscribe button, turn on all notifications, and if you're new, include new subscriber in your comment below, and I'll try my best to get to all of you. Around 3:50 a.m. on Friday, September 17th, two Oscoda Township police officers responded to a residence in the 5500 block of Cedar Lake Road after the 23-year-old brother of Justine Johnson called 911 to report having found a human foot sticking out of a garbage bag. When looking into it, officers found the body of Justine's 3-year-old daughter, Sutton. According to police, Sutton's body had been wrapped in bedding, placed in a black garbage bag, and then that bag was placed in a blue plastic tote. The child had on nothing but a diaper. So you have one of the brothers here, they found the toddler's body in the trash. They called the police up. When the police arrived, the mother of the child was not there. Her two brothers provided the police with all the information they had. They interviewed the 23-year-old who called the police, as well as the 17-year-old brother. The younger brother said that he went into the bathroom around 6 p.m. the night before, and he found his sister Justine there using drugs. He said he asked her where her daughter was because he hadn't seen her running around the house. And then he said that Justine responded to him and said, "Mind your effing business. Leave her alone," and he did just that. After getting ready, he realized Justine was no longer in the house. She left. So then he ended up leaving as well, going out to visit his girlfriend. When he got back to the house a couple of hours later at 10:30 p.m., Justine still wasn't there. The older brother told police that he got home some hours later at 3:30 in the morning on September 17th, finding that only his younger brother was there. The 17-year-old told his older brother he saw a human foot sticking out a trash bag. That's when the older brother called 911. So shortly after the big brother got home, he was notified about the foot in the trash, and then he called the police right away. The authorities, they went searching for Justine, and 5 hours later, around 8:50 a.m., they found her walking on railroad tracks. They took her back to police headquarters, where they broke the news to her about what happened to her 3-year-old baby, and Justine, she had no reaction. It was cited that she appeared to be unmoved by the news. The sergeant noted that Justine remained unemotional and advised him that she did not wish to talk about it. The Michigan State Police Forensic Science Laboratory technician team, they processed the scene and noticed that Sutton had been cut and her body punctured multiple times with a sharp object. In the trash bag with Sutton, they found a sweatshirt and a pair of size 11 women's pants. Those pants had a notable amount of blood on them. And during the interview with police, Justine told them that her pant size was 11. The two brothers also identified the sweatshirt and the pants they found with the baby's body as Justine's. They said she had those clothes on the day before. Justine, she was arrested and charged with 2 felonies in connection with her daughter. She is not getting out. She's been held without bond, and both charges are life offenses. Now here's another point. The brothers, they did the right thing. They basically reported their sister and told on her. They told them about her clothes in the trash bag. They pointed it back to Justine and said those belonged to her. But you have one person taking up for Justine already. It's Justine's mother. She told the news in an interview that Justine loved her daughter with all her heart. She also said that she believes her daughter is innocent. Her mom said this: she'd never let anybody hurt that baby. She will always be there for her, and she never did anything to hurt her. You know, with all the cases of mothers harming children, you would think that the courts would complete a system overhaul and stop insisting that mothers make the best parents all the time. That's not true in a lot of these cases. And in almost every family court case, judges automatically side with the mother, believing that the kids belong to her, and also making it an uphill battle for a lot of men fighting in family court. Now, we don't know why Justine did this because she's not talking about it, but as of now, police believe that she's the one responsible, and if convicted, she can face life in prison. All I gotta say is these American women are Cruellas. They are mean, they are dangerous, they are heartless and evil. They are demonic and only here to destroy the lives of people around them. Justine's mother heard about what happened and she's sticking to the 304 code all day. She's caping for her daughter, telling the news she would never do anything to her baby. She's innocent. Meanwhile, all the evidence is pointing at her daughter being responsible for her granddaughter. But all she can think about is saving this grown woman who was her daughter. You know, they have this attitude like, who cares about the baby? In this country, the woman has to be protected over everybody, even kids. And this is American society, praising the matriarchy. And then we wonder why things are upside down right now. You have these crazy emotional women running around with all this privilege and power when they shouldn't be over anybody, including children. But hey, that's just my opinion on all of this. Let me know what you think about it below in the comments. Shout out to William, Miss Patricia, Dark Power, Joshua, Trevante, and Harrison G. Thank you all for your contributions and support for this platform. If you want to support the content on this channel, the links to Cash App and PayPal, they're below. Ladies, fellas, want a balance analysis, want the truth from a woman's perspective? Then you're going to want to subscribe to this channel and don't forget to like and share.